Severe flooding in southern China has taken a tragic toll, claiming at least 90 lives with 30 people still missing. Relentless, heavy rains have pounded the region, causing widespread devastation, towns underwater, power outages, and countless homes destroyed. Over 100 rivers have swelled beyond critical levels, leading to the evacuation of over 3 million residents. Authorities report the collapse of more than 50,000 homes and extensive damage to nearly 880,000 hectares of crops. This year's floods have surpassed the usual levels, with the past week seeing exceptionally heavy rainfall. Changsha, the capital city of Hunan province, saw nearly 0.5 meters of rainfall in just 1 week. The impact across Hunan has been devastating, forcing hundreds of thousands to evacuate, wreaking havoc on crops and causing direct economic losses estimated at $2 billion. The Liaodao River, a tributary of the Yangtze River, reached unprecedented depths, breaking previous records. Efforts to protect Changsha, including a 5-kilometer sandbank levee, proved unsuccessful. The popular tourist spot, Orange Isle in Changsha, is almost entirely submerged, with only roofs and treetops visible amidst the floodwaters. The Yangtze River, Asia's longest river, has breached its banks in Hunan. The State Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters recently reported that continuous heavy rain since mid-June has led to record-high water levels in 10 major Yangtze tributaries and 89 smaller ones. While the intense rains have eased up in Hunan over the past 2 days, the province of Guangxi in the southwest is now facing renewed monsoon activity. Rivers in northern Guangxi have surpassed warning levels and are causing significant concern. Looking ahead, the weather forecast suggests reduced rainfall in the currently flooded areas, although up to 100 mm of rain is still possible in Anhui. Of greater concern is the expectation of heavy rain in Sichuan province, particularly in areas recently affected by a fatal mountainside collapse. Tragically, at least 16 people have lost their lives due to heavy rainfall triggering flooding and landslides in the provinces of Sichuan and Hunan. In Sinmo, a village in Maeoxian County, a landslide buried at least 30 homes with over 90 people feared buried. In Jinkou-he, near the city of Leishan in Sichuan province, 13 people have died and 5 are still missing after another landslide. According to China's Ministry of Civil Affairs, 10 bodies have been recovered in the aftermath, but 93 people are still missing. Thousands of emergency workers and volunteers are tirelessly conducting search operations. In Yunnan province, heavy rain caused flooding in low-lying areas of Yiliang County, resulting in 3 deaths and 1 person missing. Homes and buildings suffered significant damage, forcing residents to evacuate, including hundreds of students and staff from a flooded school. Additionally, eastern parts of the country, particularly Anhui and Henan provinces, have faced challenges due to heavy rainfall in the last few days. Emergency workers successfully rescued 4 people trapped in flooded homes in Ningbo, Anhui province, and 1 person from floods in Lushi County, Henan province.